Cheating on me? Cheating on me? Girl. You don't have a clue what kind of mistake you made cheating on me. Yeah, you don't know who you're messing with when you cheat on me. You broke my heart, so I'm gonna break something of yours. I already broke a lot of stuff of yours. Yeah, you broke my heart, so I'm gonna break something of yours. That's right. Cheated on me. On me? When I've been nothing but faithful and honest and trustworthy and trust with you? You're sick in the head. No, I'm not gonna cry. I'm gonna get even. So, I already broke most of your stuff. And the remains of them is in the living room scattered. You break my heart, so I'm breaking something of yours. Yeah, you heard me. Yeah, all your important things are missing and broke. Don't yell at me. You shouldn't have broke my heart. I can't believe I trusted you. I was stupid and brainless. Trusting somebody like you. I hate you. I really freaking hate you. You can get out of my house when you're ready. I hate your guts. I don't care what happens. Peace. Bye. Can't believe it. I can't believe it. I trusted you and this is how you repay me? I fell in love with you and this is how you repay me? By cheating? Two can play that game, sweetie. Two can play that game. Two can play that game. You just wait. I'm texting your friend to come pick you up. Because I'm not having a cheater in my home. She says she's on her way. I don't care, okay? I don't care you cheated on me. I didn't cheat on you. You cheated on me. That's something you don't do. It made me sick to my stomach. I hate you. I really hate you. You know, I really freaking hate your guts. I hate everything about you. You make me sick. Just the sight of you. Bye.